Welcome to the bus.
Good morning. So today we're retrofitting these cabinets we purchased to fit our needs. Right now I just cut off, had to thin this one down to receive the sink base, to make it into a sink base. It wasn't originally a sink base, it was just a base cabinet. So we have to retrofit this for the sink. And attach these two together, and now on this one we're retrofitting for the stove, because we're going to put the stove and have it drop down in this cabinet here and leave this drawer. Pizza cake. So at this point we took this drawer out. This was a sink base. I mean, it was not a sink base, it was a regular base cabinet, meaning it had a drawer here and it didn't have room for a sink. So they didn't have a sink base available. This was a discontinued model. So we grabbed this one at 50% off and said, oh, we'll just make it fit. So we took the drawer out. This was the front on the drawer. We cut it so that it would fit the sink, reinforced it, and now we'll glue this in for a fake front off the drawer that was here. And now we have a sink base. So we can slide back another, inch, and we're gonna cut this about where that blue tape is. Like that, baby. Custom fit. Look at that. Look at that. So we're starting the bathroom, and we got to build a wall from here to here, because this is going to be our bathroom. In the corner over here, we're going to have a composting toilet. On the wall here, we're going to have our shower. As you can see, there's not much room, but we'll make do. And over here, from here to here, we're going to do a corner unit, which is our sink vanity area. Pull this one out. You want to do it? Do it.
Need a hammer.
I got one.
Here, get the hammer and I'll tell you what it's in.
Inches is good as watch your head. First of many bumps. I'm putting in this cross member so that I can attach the framing for the composting bucket. So this is all going to be boxed in, and then that's going to be the top of this is going to be where our toilet's going to go. So today I get the fun job of fiberglassing this shower pan that we built. We thought about buying one, we just couldn't get one the exact right size that we wanted, and they were a little expensive. So we decided to build our own. We built it out of wood. We're going to fiberglass it, fiberglass the composting toilet surround, and everything will be waterproof. This wall, which we installed yesterday, we will waterproof this wall. And our shower goes up here. Right now I have to drill a recess for the shower drain. I've already centered it according to the studs below the vehicle. So now that I know where that's at, I can drill out a recess here so that when I fiberglass it, it's all sealed, and we'll fiberglass down and into and around that hole so that if there is ever a leak around the drain, it'll just leak outside the bus and won't cause us an issue. So that's what we're doing today. Getting our hands dirty. So we didn't get finished last time, but we get all the prep work and got it all ready, got the holes cut, got my radiuses in for the inside of the shower pan, and we're all prepared to fiberglass today. So I just got all my pieces cut, and I'm starting with my fiberglass. I've got the little pieces cut to go inside this radius, so that even if the drain leaks at some point, it's not going to get on my wood and damage it, and it's just going to go straight through to the ground. And over here I put in this cove molding because fiberglass doesn't really like to do 90-degree angles, so I put this cove molding in here to help with that angle without having to do the mixing with the thickener and doing all that and sanding. This just seems to be a little easier to me, but we're going to see how it works. I could be wrong. I might have to be redoing this. Alright, well that's it. I got it fiberglassed in. I'm going to leave it to cure overnight. And then tomorrow evening, hopefully I can give it another sand and then put some gel coat on it. Nothing like being sticky. Quick update on our home-built composting toilet and shower. So you can see we did the shower pan, we built the frame, fiberglass, gel coated. I still got to install the outlet for the gray water. This is our toilet box. We have our seat here. I haven't cut the hole yet, but you can see that's where it's going to go. And then we'll have hinges here. So this we fold up. This will be our catch for our composting scenario. We got our P-trap here, which will go down into the gray water tank. And then we'll have cleaning supplies in here as well. And then on both of these sides, we'll have our scoop for our media for the composting. And on this side, we'll have toilet paper and whatnot with storage in there. So that is what we're doing for a composting toilet. And of course, it'll all be hinged up, waterproofed, finished nice, and when we're finished. So that's where we're at. Okay, so that's the bones. Next, we got the water and the gas to do. If you haven't seen the previous videos, be sure you click here somewhere to see those videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll get notified when the next video comes out.
See you next time. And one more thing. Thanks, Deb, for being our very first patron.
Woohoo! Yay!